This illustration deals with single pole separable connector type fittings. In 406.13 D1 through 3 and A through C 2-3, as well as the informational note, covers this particular topic. Now, the purpose of the change is a revision, and the revision has been made to clarify that Article 406 does not address single pole separable connectors, or does it require a single pole separable connector to be listed. Single pole separable connectors are widely available in the marketplace and are used in a variety of applications, including land transportation, non-hazardous refinery and mining operations. The national recognized product standard for single pole separable connectors is the UL 1691 standard. Contains requirements that correspond to the required construction, as well as the performance and marking requirements to evaluate the suitability of a single pole separable connector. Article 406 contains requirements for a variety of different types of plugs and receptacles, such as a receptacle with a USB charger, tamper-resistant type receptacles, weather-resistant type receptacles. However, the article does not address single pole separable connectors, which are widely available in the marketplace, as pointed out. The proposal that identifies their proper connection and disconnection sequence necessary for safe use of these devices, Section 520.53C and 530.22 are the source of these requirements. And many inspectors of the state, county, and city allowed the acceptance of these type of fittings and connectors and so forth. They accepted them by 110.3B based upon them being listed as an approved means by the manufacturer. And then I believe they were addressed in UL 1691. Now, to review the rule, let's look to the right of the separable connector you see here. Single pole separable connector types, locking or latching type, are addressed in 406.13A. Identification is 406.13B. The interchangeability type is 406.13C. Connecting and disconnecting is 406.13D as in dog. And then I have an also that to review. See 406.13D1 is in dog through D3 and A through C to item 3, as well as the informational note. And when you review in this manner, you get a better handle why this revision was made. Now, I would like to point out as kind of a little reminder for expansion of TR receptacles, see 406.12, that, it includes attachment, detachment, garages, accessory buildings, detached garages, and so forth, and common areas of multifamily dwellings, as well as guest suites of hotels and motels. Be sure you review 406.12 very carefully also. Then you know where these type connectors might be used. And that way you're fully aware of why this revision took place, because you have more informative information.